If you're ready, then after the trailer, Waziri is going to make a commentary.
1,200-year-old artifact, that's the final piece of the puzzle.
On screen, please.
I'm about to change the world with this discovery.
I want you to meet Lieutenant Adrian Vardy. He's young, but he's one of my best men.
I've never seen anything like that. The way that thing moved, our bullets couldn't touch it.
I am the Ancient One. This world came crumbling down in glorious flames under my hand of power.
An enemy of cosmic proportions is about to inflict his rage on an entire planet, and you want us to just sit and do nothing?
Our objective is to track down the artifact, and we've been authorized to use lethal force.
I will restart this world anew. Who can stop a god?
Storm, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
You can play for us the next video if you're ready. Thank you.
And almost 600 meters long, from rock to rock, from mouse to cat. It's a long line. Longest in Africa. It's not just flat slack line. It goes down and then it goes up. And probably most of the time I will walk.
Let's appreciate the production na makofi tafadhali. At this point, Your Excellency, allow me to introduce our secretary, our cabinet secretary for youth affairs, Ababu Namwamba, to make a commentary about what we have just watched. Karibu Waziri.
Waziri, this part is whereby you're going to tell us, it's not your maiden speech, about the film industry. What Talanta Hela is doing to support the film industry and make sure we are monetizing it.
Thank you. Your Excellency, as you've already noted, the whole Talanta Hela space is targeting the entire spectrum of the creatives, from music to film, pageantry, fashion, acrobatics, the entire spectrum. And the purpose of Talanta Hela is really to consolidate this space. For the film space, we are focused on 3 main targets. The first one is to offer an opportunity for Kenyan filmmakers to make film and then to project that film to a global audience. What the first clip you watched, Your Excellency, is a computer animation, science fiction, created by a Kenyan called Andrew Kagia. And Your Excellency, this particular movie has actually been shortlisted for the Oscars. That is how good it is. It has been shortlisted for the Oscars. We are very confident that it's going to be competitive in that regard. The second clip is one that we prepared in collaboration with Red Bull, and it is about marketing film locations in Kenya. And what you saw there is the Samburu Plains, which is a fantastic location for filmmaking. It is the intention of Talanta Hela to do similar clips for different types of locations across the country and market them to filmmakers. The idea really is to position Kenya, to promote Kenya as a destination of choice for filmmaking. It is a space where we have lost out a lot to competitors like South Africa, like Nigeria, yet we have superior locations. And so, Your Excellency, as we put this package together, there are a number of things which Talanta Hela is doing, one of them being the regulatory framework. We have had little roadblocks. For instance, the mere process of bringing in and taking out equipment. Just bringing in your shooting equipment and taking it out. That is something which we are sorting out. We are sorting out the issue of rebates and tax breaks for filmmakers. It is a framework that we have already prepared and is at an advanced stage with the Treasury. Finally, Your Excellency, we are undertaking a conversation with the filmmakers. We are already in talks with the 2 top Hollywood filmmakers who traveled to Nairobi all the way from Los Angeles. And by the month of September, we'll be shooting our first mega Hollywood-driven movie right on Kenyan soil. And so, Your Excellency, this is a space which is full of potential, and we are right on top of that game. Talanta Hela.
Makofi tafadhali ya Waziri. Thank you, sir. I think coming on stage next,